NotebookLM went from interesting AI experiment to one of the hottest tools in the space almost overnight. And if you have tried it, you know why. Upload a document, and suddenly AI voices are discussing it like real people. It feels less like software and more like a preview of what knowledge work is becoming. But here's the real issue: no one talks about enough. As your notebooks pile up across projects, research topics, and long-term studies, the hard part is no longer creating content. The hard part is staying organized. That pain point is exactly what researcher Pham Van Trung tackles with the Advanced Notebook Manager inside NotebookLM. It gives you a single dashboard where all your notebooks live in one place. Titles, tags, number of sources, and update dates are visible at a glance, in either table or card view. The biggest win is tagging. You do not need a perfect system up front. Tags can be created on the fly, renamed later, and adjusted as your work evolves. That flexibility keeps your research lightweight instead of rigid, which matters when you are thinking long-term. Power users are already scaling NotebookLM alongside tools like Markdown, LaTeX, Obsidian, and Typora to manage complex notes, technical content, and engineering workflows. The takeaway is simple. NotebookLM is not just an AI novelty anymore. With the right structure, it becomes a serious research engine. If this helped you think differently about how you use AI, hit like, subscribe, and comment on how you are organizing your own knowledge today. And do not stop here. Watch the related video in the corner to keep leveling up how you work with AI. Take control of your ideas, scale smarter, and stop letting your knowledge get lost.